This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Is it one of the biggest trades in crypto right now? I know that it is. 4,354%. Boom. 43 times your money. Shout out to Venus. I'm going to go over the specifics on where we're at in the pattern formation. Remember, the specific level that was hit on the weekly, the 20 moving average. Yeah, what's going on, guys? It's London, former hedge fund owner, private, not SEC, not financial advice. Inviting you to join from a desktop computer. Today, we're in our HQ. Want to invite you, guys, in person would be nice if you guys want to see this, just the top floor of our new headquarters. $4 million, beautiful place overlooking the country club, overlooking the water. It's awesome, guys, in the crown jewel of Southern California, La Jolla. Now, in terms of the details, and yes, we invested in the business while things were going down. So we'd be ready when things are going up. Been telling you guys, and everybody needs to understand, the last few months I've been telling people, ladder in, schedule in, hammer into Bitcoin. What's up, guys? That's a big deal. It's a big deal. We got some big players around. They're like, yeah, big deal. Way to go, guys. This is London. In terms of the level of resistance across the top, we know we've broken out of the head and shoulders. We have a different dynamic in play, the broadening top. I've told you that this is a difficult pattern. Typically, these are difficult patterns. To not revisit this top line resistance would be an accomplishment, guys. It wouldn't be easy by the bulls. Orders are loaded up. You see that top line resistance right at that level is in line with our fire sale right now on the 4-hourly time frame. We already have that automatically, algorithmically scheduled out in terms of that specific line. Now, in terms of the details, I want to talk about the specific formation in play. We have formulated guys, take a look at the specifics here. We have formulated a channel to the upside, level of resistance, level of support. Now, in terms of a potential measured move, were we to breach this measured move to the downside, that channel to the downside, it would throw us below the breakout level necessary for the broadening wedge. Now, why would I bring that up? Pay attention. Why would I bring that up? What just happened? Shakeout City. You guys remember this specific channel formation that we had to the upside? What happened with that, guys? We brought this up to the VIP before this did occur, and bam, if you do a measured move to the downside, it was a nice measured move. Absolutely, channel formation, boom, to the downside. So it's kind of a repeat. Right now, the market is saying, hey, do you guys remember when we just did a measured move to the downside? What would you do if and were we to capitulate beyond the level it's holding right now? As I clean this up, this specific, yeah, guys, that 20 moving average on the 4-hourly Bollinger Band focuses on that 20 moving average. So we pay attention to that on the 4-hourly backup level right now, 8-hourly, in line with our green byline. In terms of the specific daily, okay, you're going to be walking down those levels. The important part is that right now bulls need to hold that 20 moving average. A lot of orders, guys, a lot of trades have occurred on that 20 moving average. And notice that complication of the breakdown of the channel would put us below that required breakout line. So if things get messy in this zone, first of all, you have been warned. Bottom line, you've been forewarned, guys. These are messy, difficult patterns, broadening tops. They just are. So in terms of a breach of the level of resistance, I want you to stay calm, cool, and collective, looking at the preceding level of resistance across the top. Orders are stacked here. So if it's a panic for one guy, the next guy is waiting to pick up, for example, on our fire sale line. I will invite you to never be overexposed. Join from a desktop computer if you want to be in the #1 trade group. And 2023, how great is it to have told people, ladder in, schedule in, manage your futures. Boom. Told you guys we're going to take this year by storm. Way to go. Fallout in the banking crisis has been a beautiful thing. Reinforcement. Let's call it a reinforcement for Bitcoin. Maybe not a beautiful thing at all for anything other than Bitcoin, but we'll just say that it's a reinforcement is better spoken in terms of our focus on the fundamentals for Bitcoin. Guys, it's London with Bitcoin Spike. We'll talk to you soon. And never overexposed at a higher price, guys. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.